Hello and welcome to this morning's video. You join me as I'm currently driving down to the estate with my partner, Betty, as well, because the plan is we are going to make Lancashire's highest pop-up shop. I've currently got a little outdoor shop, we sell a refurbished outdoor kit, all the rest of it. However, footfall can be a bit low. So we thought, well, where's the best place to take it than higher? We got to take the outdoor shop to the outdoors people, and that is what we're doing today. The plan is to set up shop right on top of the hill behind the back of the estate and move all 600 items of clothing to the top of that hill. It is going to be a monumental task. Behind me we've got like 14 meters of rails, we've got a gazebo, we've got a mirror, we've got a changing room, we've got signs. This is going to be a proper outdoor shop for outdoors people in the outdoors. Follow along because I think it's going to be an interesting day ahead. Now luckily there is a driving route to the top of this hill, which is obviously what we're just going on to now, which is going to make life a little bit easier. I think if we had to carry 600 items of clothing to the top of this hill, it would probably kill both of us. Here we are, folks, the summit of Nicky Nock. Oh yeah, there's the trig point just there. And we just need to decide whereabouts we're going to pop this pop-up shop. By the time this is done, we will be absolute moolig experts. These things are pretty easy to get together, but it's about as tedious as it gets. The sheep have just been up and round as well. They seem to be very interested in what's going on their fell this early in the morning. Okay, I am just kind of holding my tripod for this because I need to chuck it back in the car and get going. That is the shelter behind with everything in, all the mooligs and that sort of stuff. We've got to shoot back down in the car, go get some clothes, start bringing this stuff up onto Nicky Nock. It's 7 o'clock, we've got 3 hours to do that. It's about sort of 20 minutes round, 20 minutes at the shop. We should be able to do it, but we need to get on with it. So this is the shop here, the kit vault, and as you'll see, there's quite a lot of clothes we need to get sorted here. We've got this room with all our expedition shirts, t-shirts, all the rest of it, fleeces. We've not only got this room, we've also got this room as well. And there's a lot in here too. This is about 600 items of clothing, all in all. And yeah, we've got to take all of those to the top of Nicky Nock. I'm going to stop filming because I got to get a time lapse on. We need to jump into this and just start moving things up there as quickly as we can. Right, that is us loaded up and ready to go. Hopefully all this weight isn't going to cause us an issue heading back up onto Nicky Nock. Those fields are a little bit wet, so we need to make sure that's going to be okay, but we're going to find out. It's been an early start, and I can really feel the weight of the clothes at the back of it. I'm desperately hoping we're going to make it up that hill in a minute.
You liked?
We've got the midges up here. Come on. Someone is running to get to our shop. That's how early they've got here. That guy was definitely scouting out the kit vault for later on. He was that excited about it. We've already had people walking up and over. I think a queue is going to start forming very soon for this. So the plan is to get these hung up in here for now, and then it means we should be able to zip it up and we'll get one more run in with both of us. Right, sunroof open. That is the first clothing run. We've managed to get it all inside the gazebo, so we're pretty happy leaving that there. relatively safe place, Nicky Nook, let's face it. There are already people coming up. The footfall on Nicky Nook is higher, I would say, than it is on Sheep Street on the estate already at this time in the morning. We might even be able to get open a bit earlier. We'll see how we get on.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Close myself in a gazebo.
Yeah, we're going to make our way back down anyway for our second run. We might manage to get it in one lot. We'll see how we get on. Car fully loaded up again. Whether we're going to fit that and all our mooligs, who knows. We've got one very empty kit vault. There has been a couple of choices we've had to make. We've had to leave a few fleeces behind because we're simply not going to fit those, like some of the maps. However, we have got a lot of maps with us, which is always good. And then in here, it's also looking quite a bit empty now. Again, we've left the down jackets, just a really hot day, and they don't sell quite as well as we want them to, so we've got to make choices today. We really have. But we have tried our darn hardest to get as much of that kit from the kit vault into the car and up to the top of Nicky Nook. We're going to get the second load up, and then we should be ready to go and set up this shop for the day ahead. There we go, so our pop-up shop is officially set up here on Nicky Nook. Check this out behind me. Oh yeah, we've got it all going on over here, including our gazebo as well, with all our accessories in. Let me come in and show you. Oh yeah, check that out in there. We've got Kendall Minke, we've got maps, we've got flasks, we've got mugs. It is all happening. We've even got a changing room over there in the background. I've got a mirror so we can see. If you'd like to buy anything, you can see what you look like in the mirror behind. And we've also got all of these t-shirts, shirts, and all of this stuff as well. We are here on top of one of Lancashire's highest hills, and we're here 10 till 5 today. It's gonna be absolutely epic. I'm so glad we're up here in the sunshine, selling outdoor kit. Let's see who turns up and how many people turn up. Managed to capture some clients in the wild. I've got Gary and Noah here behind me. One of you guys bought from the kit vault today on top of the hill.
We have bought a lovely Patagonia t-shirt.
Oh yeah.
And what have you got?
A dog bowl.
A dog bowl. What are you using the dog bowl for?
Having a drink when you're tired. Yeah.
Fantastic. Were you expecting to find a shop on top of a hill today?
No, this is the best local shop I've ever seen.
Best local shop.
Somewhere
yeah.
to just nip out to.
Yeah. Gary isn't biased. I've never met Gary before or Noah.
Not at all.
I don't know their names, but they recommend the kit vault, so come along.
Absolutely.
Changing room.
Yes, and a mirror.
Room, mirror. It's like, yeah, all going on. Didn't manage to get them. I'm going to try for the next people. Hi guys, you alright?
Hi.
To say I might need to work on my salesmanship slightly because they've all just walked off. But I reckon the next people I've got, it could be time for Terry the T-Rex potentially to visit this place.
I forgot about her.
Yeah, he forgot about Terry, but Terry's here and he needs to visit the shop. This is it, this is the trump card at the end of the day. Get Terry the dinosaur out to drive up sales. I got my hand down my tail here. Oh yeah.
really cool idea.
Oh, thank you. We have a outdoor shop down.
Yeah, we've been.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we took it off for the walk.
Yeah, it's cool. It's good marketing.
Oh, we're trying.
Oh, we're trying.
we were both just like, we both left our phones in the car for the walk, but I would like to have bought something just because it's cool. But...
It's safe to say Terry didn't make too much of a difference. In fact, if anything, it's now quieter. Now I've let Terry go. In fact, there's no one up here. Maybe a T-Rex just scares everyone, eh? Who knows? But what a laugh anyway. Thank you for watching the video today. I hope you've enjoyed it. We're going to start getting ourselves packed away. It's the end of the day. It's been great. People who have come up here have absolutely loved and enjoyed what we've done. And it's been fantastic to be Lancashire's highest pop-up shop as well for the day. We are going to get the kit vault packed away. If you've enjoyed it, I'll see you in the next video. Or maybe I'll see you in the kit vault. We've got one open in Lancashire, one open in Yorkshire. I'll link them both below. I'll see you next time. Look at this now. If you'd like an outdoor shop transported to a location near you, then please message. I'd like an outdoor shop transported to near me at, where are we? Lancashire, somewhere, yeah, above the M6. And we'll get it, and we will transport an outdoor shop to a location near you. It will be amazing. We will see you there.